Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Dodge Avenger battery. First, always prioritize your safety by wearing protective gloves and eyewear. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Gather all your necessary tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a wire brush. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and safer for you. Now let's remove the old battery. Begin by locating the negative terminal, which is typically marked with a minus sign and has a black cable. Use your wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the cable and tuck it away from the battery. Next, find the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and a red cable. Loosen and remove this cable as well. Finally, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps, then carefully lift out the old battery, which can weigh around 35 pounds. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. First, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps thoroughly with your wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the clean tray. Now, connect the positive cable to the new battery's positive terminal first, tightening it securely. Then, attach the negative cable to the negative terminal. Make sure all connections are snug, and the battery is firmly held in place by its clamps. You're almost done. Double-check all your connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Then, start your Dodge Avenger to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your battery. For added longevity, consider applying a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to the terminals. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery at an authorized recycling center. Many auto parts stores offer this service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.